Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the new enhanced reporting features in Digital Chalk. To get there, you're going to click on the Administration tab and click on Reports from the left. But instead of coming to this page, you're going to be taken to our new reporting dashboard that looks like this. This dashboard will give you a little bit of information about your users, their registrations, and completions. To run a report, continue to scroll down. You'll see the list of reports here, that this is the exact same list as in our old user interface, but setting them up is just a tad bit different. We'll go through that together. For this video, we're going to run a student registration report, so I'm going to click on the title here to begin. Once you select your report, you'll be brought to the report configuration page. Let's talk a little bit about these settings together. The first thing you'll see is date range. There are a lot of options here, even allowing you to select specific dates. For this report that I'm running, I'd like to run it for current year, which means all the registrations that happened in the calendar year 2019. I'm going to leave the deleted offerings and deleted users excluded from this report, but you can easily change that just by toggling that off. You'll see two boxes here under columns. The left is the available columns for your report, and the right is the included columns for your report. I'd like to add in offering title, so I'm going to select that, click this arrow to add that into my included columns. Now let's scroll down. We'll leave this at 20 results per page, 20 rows per page, and run the report. There are a lot of options here. If you'd like to go back to the configuration page to make any changes, just click on the gear icon. If you'd like to see this report as HTML in a very printer-friendly option, click here. If you'd like to export this data to a CSV, click Export. Now maybe you want to export it, but you'd like to do a little sorting and filtering first. Let's talk about that. I'd like to sort this by user last name, so I'm going to click here on user last name. And this will give me the ability to show in alphabetical order. I'm going to scroll to the right, and I'm going to filter this report by status. I have a lot of users who have passed, some who have failed, and some who are still currently taking this course. And I'm most interested in the users who are currently active. So I'm going to sort this report to only show registered users. That will allow me to export this data into a CSV and see all my users in alphabetical last name and only show the users who are registered. But maybe I need to sort by the users who have failed or passed. So let's go back to all. And we can select filtering by grade percentage. There is an operator here, so we can select that we'd like this to be less than 80. And this filters our report to show users who scored less than a certain score. That allows us to export this data or print it out and follow up with those users accordingly. If you have any questions about setting up a report, filtering, sorting, anything that we can do for you, please feel free to reach out to us at support@digitalchalk.com, and we'd be happy to help.